A Sacramento man scanning the night sky catches a sudden burst of light through his telescope, and he recorded that strange sight with his smartphone.
Cody Stark shared the video with experts to see if they could solve the mystery.
So the other day I get this message on Facebook. I have something on video no one's ever seen. I had my telescope out, caught an explosion in outer space. Want to see the video? Would I?
Here is the video. Now, it's shot at an iPhone looking through the eyepiece of a telescope, so it's kind of hard to see, so we blew it up.
I don't know if you can see that, but there's something orbiting that planet over there.
Elijah shot the video on December 20th around 5:05 p.m. in Sacramento.
I saw something that I'd never seen before. I saw another object orbiting this, you know, whatever it was up there. And I've never seen anything like that before.
He thought it was a little strange, so he put his phone down, called his nephew, picked up the phone, and shot this second video.
Oh my God, it blew up. What the? Something just blew.
Once again, it's his camera phone shot through a telescope lens, so we zoomed in and we slowed it down.
As soon as I put the camera to the telescope, it just blew up. And I didn't know what to say.
I don't blame him. It certainly looks suspiciously like an explosion.
So I sent the video off to Dr. Stephen Moran. He's the guy that wrote Astrophysics for Dummies. He said, Cody, I don't recognize the explosion as an astronomical phenomenon. I'm not sure what that means.
Well, whatever it was almost never seen by Elijah or anybody else. Not because it's a tiny speck in a big old empty sky, but because of Craigslist.
You almost got rid of that like what, a week before?
Almost got rid of it a week before. I was trying to sell it on Craigslist, and I was getting offers. And man, you know what? At this time, you know, I'm glad I didn't sell it.
Aliens. Cody said he contacted a Vatican expert about the explosion and was told it could be some sort of light refraction.
Could be. Who knows?
Or aliens.
Or aliens, yeah, that's a possibility.
Live, this is one for the record. I don't know if I lost everything. And today is July 11th, 2013. Sorry so late. Stay tuned, I got some more weird sounds. Alrighty then. Ooh, what's that in the background? That looks strange. Egads. On the back left, doesn't look right to me. Alright. Let's go into the E&E News. Japan kids ingesting pieces of Fukushima fuel rods. Expert. Mystery black substance very likely contains concentrated, unburned nuclear fuel. Oh no. Also, Fukushima plant leaking for past 2 years. Japan Times. Underground water is reaching sea. Reuters. Growing alarm problems mountain. Official. If you have solutions, we'd like to know. WSJ, no immediate health threat. Oh yeah, right, okay. Let's look real quickly under the U.S. Canada. Gas levels prevent workers from attempting to stop leak in Gulf of Mexico. Well was already in trouble a day before 6 Coast Guard vessels at site. Officials did not say when they expect it plugged. Photos. Badly leaking natural gas well in Gulf of Mexico, barely a trace of marine life in this area. We are seriously starting to wonder where all the life has gone. Yes, I wonder about that. Also, on the watchers, they said the sun might be a giant comet that we're rotating around, basically, because there's some kind of tail in our solar system behind the sun. So, there you go. That was very important. Stay tuned. More strange sounds and having problems with this. That's why we're a little bit late also. Other than I'm uploading a lot. So, big show tonight. Take care. Be prepared for anything. And I'll catch you on the flip side. There I am. Take care. It's the eve of Friday. We're almost there. Stay tuned. Okay, we're starting to get more reports of strange sounds now. This one is on Mr. Kelly Roberts' channel, all one word. Here we go. We'll play this one. Horrifying strange sounds over Maryland. God help us. The name of the video. This is from a month ago, in May. June. Yeah, May, though. End of May. Wow, that's disturbing. It was posted a month ago, but I rented it. It said it was in May. Alrighty then, that almost sounded like the stuff that was in Russia or the Ukraine. Alright, let's see if I can find another one. Also, there was a report from a commentator, Borista 1970, Borista, Borirasta. There you go, Borirasta 1970. Thank you for your input. I mentioned that I heard some strange noises. the other night. Almost sounded like a rumbling. Like a jet, but no jet. That was continuous. And I guess he heard something, some strange noise in Tampa. I'm going to see if I can find other strange noises. Stand by. This one is on Craig Schwab's channel, C-R-A-I-G space S-A-U-V-E. Strange Scary Sounds from Sky, June 2013. Check this one out.
The heck is that sound? Please make that sound again, please. What the hell is that? Okay, that's freaky, man. What the hell is that?
Not sure exactly where that was. Further investigation tells me that's coming out of Ontario, Canada. Ontario, Canada. Alrighty then. Wow. Alright, that's enough strange sounds for tonight. I don't want you guys to have nightmares. That might give me a nightmare. Let's see, wait, there might be one more. Stand by. Here's one that's a little further back. This one is from Sammy and Diana's channel. A Sammy and Diana presentation. Of course, this is for educational purposes only. But let's see. Here we go. It's in Texas, January 2013.
Did you guys hear that? It's weird. I've never heard anything like that before. Where's it coming from? That was a big one.
Wow. Don't know if that's real or not. I guess it might be. Alrighty then. Moving on. Thought you guys might like that. Okay, this one is over Central Florida, where I am. I'm on the Space Coast. Okay, this is from LNB Video Creations. 2013 strange sounds heard over Central Florida after a thunderstorm. Now, this is almost like what I heard, at least at the beginning of this, yesterday, whenever it was that I put it up. I think it was yesterday. Just weird rumblings. Alright, check this out. Pretty close to what I heard. don't know if the guy in Tampa heard the same thing. This one is May 19th, 2013. What's really going on? Alright, that's enough there. Strangeness.